Hey there YouTube. So today I got a really cool package in the mail and we're gonna do an unboxing video. So what did we get? We got something all the way from New Zealand. This is a Jens Hansen's ring. Now what is that, you may ask? Well, this is from my beautiful betrothed, and this is not just a ring, this is the ring. This is the one ring to rule them all. That's right, this is a Lord of the Rings white gold movie replica, and this is the package that it comes in. It does come with a packet as well. It's a very nice envelope, and we'll see what we got in the envelope here. It's a Velcro envelope. Comes with a certificate of origin, and inside it has some information, but it also has some handwritten properties for the ring. So that's pretty cool. It has a thank you card for choosing Jens Hansen. Now, if you guys aren't familiar, Jens Hansen is the jewelry makers that actually made the One Ring for the movies. So they know what they're doing. Also has some more information on the One Ring in case you want to read about it. And comes with a nice cleaning cloth and some more information if you want to read. So, that being said, this is the packaging that it comes in. Very beautiful. Kind of crinkly paper here, and it's got a nice little tag and some string. So we're gonna open this. I don't know if I'm gonna need my knife or not. I do have it handy if I need it. And we're gonna take a look at this because I'm pretty excited. Okay, once you get the paper off, it's just a regular box here. Got a little label. Why not get the knife out? So, that's a knife. Not really, but it's my package opening knife. So, set that aside. Maybe we'll need it again. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like here. And the sticker didn't quite stick, I can tell that. But inside the box is another box with a ribbon on it. So let's discard that packaging. And here we go, guys. This is it's a nice little black box with a nice Jens Hansen ribbon on it. Let's go ahead and unribbon it. And let's take our first look together. Nope, just kidding. There's another box inside. So let's take that box out. And now let's take our first look. Nope, just kidding again. Man, they keep on fooling me. It's wrapped up inside the box. So, now we have to unwrap. And it's in a plastic bag. So I'm going to take this out and put it in the ring box so you can take a look at it. Okay guys, for real this time, here is the One Ring. Now I realize this may be hard to see, and we're definitely going to get some close-ups of it, believe me. But I just want to give you a peek of what it looks like in the box. It's probably hard to see the engravings on it, but it is a movie replica, so it is engraved to the exact words. And now we're going to see if it fits. Hey, there we go, guys. It's looking good. And here we go, guys. As promised, here's a close-up of this beautiful ring. So as you can see, it's got the Elvish engraving, and it looks spectacular. Nice presentation with the black box. I'll spin it around a little bit for you so you can see. Also does have the Jen Hansen's hallmark right in there, inside the ring. So yeah, guys, the One Ring replica in white gold. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys are thinking about checking out Jen Hansen's, definitely do it. They're based out of New Zealand, and hope you liked the video. So if you did, like, subscribe. Every little bit helps, and thank you for watching.